Hello, welcome to Absolut Drinks. I'm Rico, and today we're gonna make the Lemon Drop Martini. So we've already made the shot version of the Lemon Drop. We're gonna show you the Martini version. It's a very 90s drink, so it's a bit of a throwback classic. Start with our cheapest ingredients first. So we're gonna go whoop with our lemon juice. We want a good 30 ml. Next, we're gonna take our simple syrup. We just need 10. There we go. And then we're gonna add a little bit of triple sec, which is orange liqueur. 10 mils as well. This is like the simple sour ratios going on here. And then 45 mils of the good old Absolut Citron. Next, we're just gonna give this a nice good hard shake. Plenty of ice. There we go. There we go. We're good. Let's take our pretty little glass. We've got the Hawthorne strainer on there. We've got our fine strainer, making sure there's no ice shards getting in our drink. Make sure none of that gets in the drink. And then the classic cocktail garnish, a nice little lemon zest. Make sure you get in and get all those little oils everywhere. And then just drop them in. Lemon Drop, throwback from the 90s. Oh. When life gives you lemons, you get a bottle of Absolut Vodka and you make some lemon drops, bro. That'll bring you back to life. Brought me back to life.